Experiencing iMessage problems after switching to Spectrum Mobile or activating a new line? You're not alone. Spectrum Mobile operates on Verizon's network, and sometimes iMessage activation can be tricky due to network protocol differences. As of September 2025, while Spectrum has made improvements, issues can still arise, particularly with activation, SMS, MMS fallback, and data connectivity. The main reason why iMessage may not work is due to interruption in data connectivity. Key fundamentals include making sure your iPhone settings are optimized. Settings, cellular data options, enable LTE. This section will explain why these issues occur and set the stage for troubleshooting. If you're experiencing iMessage issues on Spectrum Mobile, let's troubleshoot step by step. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, iOS 18.2 or later. Next, check your cellular data settings and make sure Enable LTE is turned on. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. If other methods don't work, reset your network settings through Settings, General, Reset. If iMessage defaults to MMS, verify your APN settings. Use vSWIMS for MMS or fast.vzvu.com for data. Update the Spectrum Mobile app to v5.1 or newer, which includes an iMessage troubleshooting wizard. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for a manual SIM update.